Hey everybody, in this video I'd like to introduce you to Tricia Clements, one of my expert instructors who's teaching inside the advanced program of the WP Project Managers Academy. Now Tricia and I met at a WordCamp, I'm pretty sure it was in Atlanta, and she is an expert on local SEO, Google My Business, citation management, and that's what she's going to be sharing with you in her lesson, but I'll let her tell you a little more about that.
Hi, I'm Tricia Clements, a social media manager, and I have a heavy focus on local SEO and specifically Google My Business. I attended my very first WordCamp in Atlanta in 2012, and I really love the WordPress community and everything that it has to offer, and everyone in the community is so supportive, and that is what inspired me to start my own business in 2014. And it was at a WordCamp that I did meet Beth. At this point, she and I have both been to so many, I don't remember which city or which year it was in, but we did definitely meet at a WordCamp. So in this program, I'm excited to be teaching you local SEO, specifically Google My Business, and also citation management. Now for local SEO, basically you're emphasizing your efforts on local intent, basically businesses that service a specific geographic area, whether those are brick and mortar stores or a service-based business that services a specific geographic area. And in the last year, about 90% of customers have used the internet for local business searches. And about 33% search every single day with that local intent. So as you can see, local search intent is huge. So you need to make sure that you are helping your customers by optimizing their online local presence. Doing that can have a significant increase in your customers' sales and their business for your clients, and that means recurring revenue for you. I can't wait to see you in the course.
So in case you didn't notice, Tricia has a huge fondness for the color purple. And besides that, she's really smart and really good at what she does. I think you'll get a lot out of her lesson. Now, if you join the WP Project Managers Academy, that is free. And along with that, you get the WordPress Project Management 101 Roadmap, which is also free. If you decide to upgrade to the advanced program, that's where the expert instructors are going to show you how to take things a little bit further. So if you're interested in learning more about that, go to wproadmaps.com/join us, and I will see you inside the Academy.